एक्टिंग मोड में आ जाते हैं. What is that whole thing about him saying अभी क्यों एक्टिंग कर रहे हो? Did you think every time a husband compliments a woman, it's an act?
I don't know about others, but yeah, it's kind of, we're very good actors at that. So, yeah.
And playing the mother to two of the most notorious actors that they are out there. Most fun,
may
mad.
I just say,
Yes.
that shot was an outtake. It's behind the scenes.
असलियत निकल आई.
अच्छा बिफोर वी मैं अपने सर इन लॉ को भी बुलाना चाहूँगा स्टेज पर. प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर राहुल बोस. अब पूरा परिवार जो है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है और
Yes. Shivali ji finally sings in Bollywood. PC, what did it take? Everybody told us कि आप रॉक स्टार हो, आपकी आवाज़ क्या है, फिर आप वहाँ जाके गा के पहले आ गई. ऐसे कैसे हो गया? मतलब या हालांकि आपने एक्चुअली साउथ में पहला गाना गाया था आपका, बट दिस इज सो योर वॉइस. You gotta go for it and tell us कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस, वो भी शंकर एहसान लॉय के लिए. Come on.
It was incredible. Actually, the idea came up at a party. हम लोग जोया, रितेश, फरहान, I remember everybody. We were just talking कि अच्छा फरहान भी गाता है, पीसी भी गाती है, गाना होना चाहिए. And suddenly SEL made a song and suddenly Zoya said आके गा दो. And Javed Saab had written the most difficult lyrics in the world which I can never remember because there are 13 words in every sentence. And every time I'm asked to sing it, I only say Dil Dhadakne Do.
Whoa!
I don't remember the rest. Yeah, with the wave. Yeah, and Anushka does But Farhan had always been very encouraging to me to sing ever since we had done Dawn actually. That I should sing a lot more, and that's exactly what he did this time too. And I'm super happy Zoya gave me the opportunity. So it was great.
How did you even dream of doing something like that? Choreography में ऐसे होता है कि कोई यहाँ से वहाँ हो जाए, step वहाँ से यहाँ हो जाए. आपने क्या सोच के ये breathless situation किया है ये?
Actually, I have to give this the credit of this idea to my cameraman, who's not here anymore. Carlos Catalan, have you left the house? He's not here. But we were deciding what to do with this song.
Okay.
And Carlos Catalan, come and take a bow, please. Yes. So we were deciding, and he was like, there are so many Punjabi songs shot in the industry all the time. So what are we going to do to make this different? And it's a family, and it should seem like a family that gets up and dances, and someone's actually shooting it with a video camera. So let's just do it in one shot. I was like, how is that going to be possible? And then came in the next stars, Bosco Caesar.
Carlos, Carlos, how many cameras did you have there? Or was
One camera,
and you managed that?
one take, one camera. Yeah.
That's crazy. And Bosco, who was the star here? इतने डांसिंग में मतलब किसने सबको पुश किया? अरे तुझे ये करना है, कोई क्यूज थे कि सब लोग अपने अपना कर रहे थे?
I think the camera was the star because it did well. Capturing everybody at the right time.
Actually, they're saying this, but Bosco Caesar, what they did was, you have to say thank you to all the actors because they came in and rehearsed for days. They took the location size. They put the location size in their studio and put everybody in there, and they had to time themselves, the in and out to the camera before we could actually shoot it. So it was an intricate plan, and thank you to these boys.
Yeah, thank you.
अनिल सर, आपने तो बहुत फिल्में की हैं लेकिन ऐसा गाना शायद नहीं किया होगा. तो जो सारे मौजूद हैं उनसे आप बताइए कि आपके लिए ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
सबसे पहले मैं प्रियंका जी से माफ़ी मांगना चाहूँगा क्योंकि काफ़ी लोगों की मैंने टांगें तोड़ी, इनका लिप्स फाड़ा मैंने. तो आई एम वेरी सॉरी. आई जस्ट गॉट कैरिड अवे. बहुत सालों के बाद गाना मिला मुझे. गाने आजकल कोई दे नहीं रहा मुझे. तो मैंने जावेद साहब ने कहा यार मैं गाना लिख रहा था. बोला यार सरकार आप अपने आदमी आप मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया उन लोगों कि आपका भी एक अंतरा होना चाहिए. बोला थैंक यू जावेद साहब. बहुत सालों के बाद गाना मिला तो मैं थोड़ा डेस्परेट हो गया. थैंक यू.
आई वंडर, आप इस क्रूज में एक्चुअली परफॉर्मर हैं लेकिन असली परफॉर्मेंस तो वो करके जा रहे हैं. एंड इतने ठुमके तो एक लड़की ने भी बॉलीवुड की हिस्ट्री में नहीं लगाए जितने कि उनके लगाए कि वो
Ranveer can't take it. मतलब गाना बज रहा है, he has to dance. मतलब he has to dance for everybody in the room also. So that is like you have to give it to him. That's his birthright. You know?
to match. I mean, of course, ever since you've come into the industry, it's been about you and dance. लेकिन to dance with this man must be another level. तो इस वीडियो में दर्शक हाँ इसको करने दो, अपना दिखाने दो, जलवा, फिर मैं आती हूँ. Was it something like that जब ये actually shoot हो रहा था?
Actually, it's very interesting. Bosco season and Zoya decided कि हम लोग ज़्यादा choreography नहीं चाहते हैं इस गाने में. काम ना रणवीर, तू भी खड़ा हो जा मेरे साथ. तू भी तो है गाने में, है ना?
इस वक्त मुझे थोड़ी शर्म आ रही है.
No, no, he's feeling damn hot. He doesn't want to sweat anymore. उसके good looks खराब हो
इस
जाएंगे.
वीडियो का मुझे जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
So they didn't want too much choreography in this thing. So they just let Ranveer and me be. And it's sometimes
It's dangerous.
works.
It's very dangerous.
It can get dangerous, but then they controlled us also. कि बस ज़्यादा नहीं ज़्यादा मत फैलो.
हाँ ज़्यादा. That's what Zoya had to do in the whole film actually. To me at least.
People talk about J-Lo's
बस मैं और कुत्ता.
over. हाँ.
हाँ
Sorry.
इन दोनों को ज़्यादा कंट्रोल करना पड़ा है ना
Kutta
Zoya.
was very well controlled. Zoya, there's no doubt about. Dog was very well trained and controlled.
उसको बिस्किट दो तो काम डाउन हो जाता है. मुझे बिस्किट दो तो ये हो जाता है.
Okay, say.
We have actually won the most stylish film award last night. कमाल है, पिक्चर रिलीज भी नहीं हुई है और अवार्ड्स आने लगे. वाह रितेश साहब, वाह 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 वाह.
No, but
चेक किया था.
thank you so much the two of you, जावेद साहब, क्योंकि आपके कैरेक्टर्स बहुत ही अतरंगी हैं. उनके यू नो कैरेक्टर पीसेस से आपने लिरिक्स जो है लिखे हैं कि फिर आपने सोचा कि कुछ अलग ही किया जाए?
नहीं, अलग ही किया इसलिए कि कहानी अलग थी, कैरेक्टर्स अलग थे, सिचुएशंस अलग थी, तो म्यूज़िक भी अलग ही हुई, गीत भी अलग हुए. एक गाने में ज़रा 13 वर्ड हो गए थे, उसका प्रॉब्लम ज़रूर हुआ. मुझे ख्याल रखना चाहिए था कि भाई जो 13 तक गिन भी नहीं सकती उन्हें 13 वर्ड कैसे दे दिए.
How mean Javed साहब.
इसे टैट कहते हैं.
When you're doing an ensemble, the trick is to make sure when you're casting that you cast people that are team players. Once you have that, then it's just fun. So you have to cast actors and then you don't have to handle them, they handle themselves. As long as people know that they're coming in there and the film is bigger than their egos, I mean, it's a blast. And we had an amazing cast. Yeah.
And now for the love of the music, Shankar Ehsan Loy. Thank you so much. From Dil Chahta Hai to Dil Dhadakne Do. आपने न सिर्फ एक youth का एक समा बांधा है, and of course the two of them, I'm going to come to them later, but I want to thank you. What is this connection? मैं आपको पहले भी पूछ चुकी हूँ कि रितेश और फरहान के साथ ये ना तोड़ बेतोड़ जोड़ी कैसे है? How does it keep on and on and on and on?
लोगों के फैमिली डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, फैमिली कारपेंटर्स होते हैं, हम फैमिली म्यूजिशियंस हैं एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट.
जी, बात ये है कि हमारे पास उनके कुछ फोटोज और नेगेटिव्स पड़े हैं.
रितेश के पास.
Make sure all the right tracks are for our films.
I think they must have done about 12-13 films, out of which I think we have scored for about 10 of them.
That you have no reason to believe that whatever I'm saying is totally objective and there is no emotional connect or any subjectivity about my opinion. But the fact is that I know I'm stretching my neck out. I'm making a statement with certain responsibility. Generally, we talk of our past and get nostalgic. क्या ज़माना था, कैसी फिल्में बनती थी, अब तो साहब पता नहीं क्या हो गया. That was the golden era. Believe me, times where film like Dil Dhadakne Do are made can be called golden era.